Okay, we've got again, this is Sir Timothy Thrapp, World Improvement Through the Spirit of Ministries. We've got the OverUnity charger. This time we're going to demonstrate OverUnity using a battery. Again, there's a lot of different ways. Right now we got a 9-volt battery on there. The charger's not running. You see 0 amps. In other words, it's on, but it's not charging the battery. It's 0 amps. And it's 7.7 volts and dropping. That's the battery. That's the output volt. Excuse me, not the output. That's the voltage of the battery that it's reading. The output volts, target volts, will be 11 when I turn it on. It'll go up. It'll start going up. But what I want to demonstrate is that we're putting power into the battery, but less power than what's coming out, and yet the battery continues to charge. So right now it's going down, but as soon as I hit start, it's going to start going up. 7.7, I hit start, and it jumped up to 8.0. So and now it went to 8.1. So that's about 0.3, 0.4 higher immediately. And yet, if you check the amperage going in is less than the amperage coming out. So the battery should be dropping by normal standards. The amperage going in is 0.2, 0.2, about 0.22, 0.21, and the amperage coming out is, let's clamp it over here, is 0.2. There's not much difference on this. It's 0.23, 0.24, so a little bit higher than what's going in. 0.2423. So it's a little bit higher than what's going in. Let's see what's going in again. Oh, there we go. That's reading better. I was getting too close to the iron on this, and it's magnetized. Anyway, so 0.16, 0.18. That's what we're reading pretty constantly. Is what's going in, and what's coming out is again about 2.4, 2.5. So it's about 1 1/4 higher what's coming out of the battery than what's going in, and yet the battery gradually continues to climb. We're at 8.2 now. So we were at 7.7 when we started, and you can leave this on for hours and hours and hours, and it just keeps climbing slowly, very slowly, until it gets to the target voltage. So you're actually charging the battery and running a load, and the load is greater than the amount of energy you're putting in from the charger. The voltage is all going to be the same because it's all in parallel, and so that's the whole demo right there.